Have you ever wished something into existence so quickly it almost felt like magic? Well, hey everyone. I'm here to talk about something incredible, instant manifestation. Sounds too good to be true, right? Believe me, I felt the same way, until I started mastering it myself. Let me tell you, the first time I instantly manifested something, it blew my mind. It wasn't anything huge, just a specific type of coffee I was craving. But the speed and clarity with which it appeared felt like I'd unlocked a hidden power. That's why I'm excited to share my journey with you. I want to break down the secrets of instant manifestation, showing you how it's not just about wish fulfillment, but about aligning yourself so deeply with your desires that they just have to materialize. Get ready to tap into a whole new level of manifesting power. If you're ready to start attracting what you want at lightning speed, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, I know when I first heard about instant manifestation, my inner skeptic screamed, "Yeah, right. I'm all for the idea of manifesting your goals, but the idea of getting something instantly seemed unrealistic. After all, we're conditioned to think anything worthwhile takes hard work and a whole lot of waiting, right?" But that's where a lot of people get tripped up when it comes to manifestation. We get caught up in the illusion of time. We think manifestation is like ordering from an online store. There's always that processing and shipping status we have to worry about. Instant manifestation breaks that mold. Think of it like this. Imagine you're incredibly thirsty and all you can think about is a cool glass of water. If someone's standing right there with a glass, you get it immediately, satisfying that intense desire. The focus wasn't on how long it took, but how clear and powerful your need was. When we enter that same state with our bigger desires, when we feel them as real and inevitable, the universe responds in unpredictable ways. Synchronicities happen, the right people show up, and it's like the path toward your desire gets highlighted. What might have taken months or years suddenly feels like it's flowing to you at breakneck speed. The time it takes isn't the goal. It's about the unwavering belief, the sense that what you want is yours, no matter what. When you embody that, manifestation can surprise you with its speed. Ready to learn how to unlock that kind of power? Let's dive in deeper. Here's the thing about instant manifestation. It's about way more than just getting what you want. It's a shift in how you understand your role in reality. Think about it. If you're the author of your own story, doesn't it make sense that you have some say in the plot? So many of us go through life feeling like we're just reacting to circumstances. We get caught up in the drama, the problems, the setbacks, the things we feel are happening to us. But instant manifestation flips that perspective. It's about empowerment, reminding you that you have so much more control over your experiences than you realize. How does this work? Well, our thoughts, emotions, and deep-rooted beliefs shape our perception of reality. We literally filter the world through our internal landscape. If that landscape is filled with fear, doubt, and a feeling of powerlessness, guess what kind of experiences you're going to attract? On the other hand, imagine you're fully invested in a vision of your ideal life. You don't just daydream about it, you embody the feeling as if you're already living it. That alignment, that certainty, starts to shift your behavior, your choices, and how you perceive opportunities. You begin to see the possibilities that were always present but were outside your focus before. You become an active co-creator of your reality, rather than a bystander waiting for good stuff to hopefully happen. The beauty is, you can start this process at any moment. The power to reshape your experiences lies within you. You just need the right tools and techniques to unlock it. And wouldn't you know it, that's exactly what we'll be exploring in the next part of this series. So, how do we tap into this power and start manifesting with speed? The first step is to quiet the mental chatter and ground yourself fully in the present moment. Meditation, deep breathing, or even taking a few minutes to focus on your senses can help you achieve that centered state. When we're constantly lost in worry or distractions, we lose that laser-like focus needed for manifestation. Next, it's time to boldly assert your control over reality. Use affirmations not just about what you want, but about the fact that you will manifest it. Say things like, "I am a master manifester," or "Everything I desire flows to me effortlessly." You're training your subconscious to believe in your inherent power. Here's a powerful technique. Craft affirmations that come from the place of already having your desire. Instead of, "I want a fulfilling job," try, "I love my fulfilling job." It places you in that vibrational state of gratitude and shifts your perspective dramatically. Now let's be real. Doubt is going to try and creep in. That's natural. The key is not to resist it, but to acknowledge it and move forward anyway. Remember, instant manifestation doesn't mean everything appears at the snap of your fingers. What matters is the unwavering conviction that your desire is yours. I've had plenty of times where I didn't see immediate results, but I kept affirming, visualizing, and feeling as if I had already succeeded. Eventually, things would fall into place in ways I could not have predicted. Keep that faith strong. If you commit to these practices and truly believe in your power to manifest quickly, you'll start to see the results that will change your perspective forever. Don't think instant manifestation is just some abstract concept. Throughout my journey, I've had countless moments where things aligned with incredible speed. Whether it was a much-needed parking space materializing just in time, or bumping into someone who would become a vital connection, the right things always show up when you're in the flow. Need more proof? Look to the stories of others. People manifest perfect job offers out of the blue, unexpected checks in the mail to relieve a burden, or the ideal partner suddenly entering their lives. Every situation is unique, but the common thread is that deep belief and unshakable focus. The most important thing is, don't give up on yourself. Keep those affirmations flowing, hold the vision, and feel the joy of already possessing your desire. Everyone has this innate ability. It just takes time and practice to refine. The moment you experience that surge of instant manifestation, everything shifts. You'll understand that this isn't just wishful thinking. It's tapping into how the universe truly works, and it's within your reach. Wow, we've covered a lot today, and this is just the beginning. I hope you feel inspired and empowered to approach manifestation with a whole new sense of possibility. Instant manifestation might sound unbelievable, but trust me, it's waiting to be unlocked within you. If this message resonated with you, please hit that like button and share this video with anyone you think might benefit. Every share helps spread this awareness that we are so much more in control of our reality than we're often led to believe. And hey, want to dive even deeper into manifestation techniques that can dramatically accelerate your results? Then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'm so excited to take this journey with all of you and witness the incredible things you'll manifest. Remember, you are a powerful creator. You have the ability to shape your world faster than you might think. So go out there, claim your desires, and let's manifest some magic together. Until next time.